Annyeonghaseyo, Nicole.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Grace.
Okay, I'm here in Nicole's house because she bought her school supplies worth of 2,000 pesos. Oh, then crayons, construction paper, glue, and papers, notebooks, watercolor, shoes, and bags. Okay. This is her school supplies from Nolpuron Sonamunim. So, Nicole, what can you say?
Nolpuron Sonamunim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. What is your name? Rina Jane. How old are you?
11 years old.
11. And this upcoming class, unsa ka nga grade?
Grade 6.
Okay, grade 6. So let's have 10 random questions for multiplication table test. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Do not be nervous and do not be shy. Just focus, okay? So 2 times 9?
18.
3 times 7?
3 times 7, 21.
4 times 6?
4 times 6, 24.
5 times 9?
4 times 9, 45.
6 times 8?
6 times 8, 48.
7 times 6?
7 times 6, 42.
8 times 4?
8 times 4. 32.
9 times 9?
81.
7 times 7?
49.
6 times 8?
48.
Okay, very good, Rina. So you will join the the special class. So I am your teacher. So time will be 3 to 4 p.m. in the study room. Okay, so fighting. Okay.
There was a fox. It was very hungry. It went to a garden. It saw ripe grapes. Its mouth watered. It wanted to eat them. It jumped at them, but the grapes were out of its reach. It jumped again and again, but could not reach them. It was tired, so it went saying, "The grapes are sour." A fox and a grapes. Kamsahamnida.
Yay! Very good.
Annyeonghaseyo, a fox and the grapes. There was a fox. It was very hungry. It went to a garden. It saw ripe grapes. Its mouth watered. It wanted to eat them. It jumped at them, but the grapes were out of its reach. It jumped and again, but could not reach them. It was tired, so it went saying, "The grapes are sour." A fox and the grapes. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, good morning, special class.
Good morning, Teacher Lola.
Okay, this morning, naapoy giswat din na simple PEMDAS. Muna itong buhaton. Di sa kumuhatag ninyo og lisod nga PEMDAS kaya uban ipagawa usaon pag-solve. Unsa gyud ang P sa PEMDAS?
Parentheses.
Okay, unsa ang E sa PEMDAS? Ang M, ang D,
Division.
okay, ang A,
Addition.
okay, ang S,
Subtraction.
okay, ano siya. So, magsunod-sunod na sila. Sabot? Di ba saan gihatan ako ninyo nga anang siya parenthesis? Wala. Okay, wala. Naa siya exponent? Wala. Okay, wala. So, naa siya multiplication? Okay. Mao dyan na itong unahon o solve. Kaysa division, kaysa addition o subtraction. So, ang number 1, unsay nag-una?
Times.
Okay, times. So, mao na itong unahon o solve. 4 times 3 plus 2.
14.
Mo na answer niya is 14. So, for example, ang D, y multiplication po na siya division. For example, kaniyay. Asay mag-una ani?
Division.
Okay, ang division kay nag-una pa siya sa addition. So, 10 divided by 2,
5.
5 plus 3,
7. Ay, 8.
okay, 8. Mao na siya. For example, nag-una ang addition kaysa subtraction. For example, kani. Asay mag-una ani?
Plus.
Okay, ang plus kaysa subtraction. Mao na siyang 9 plus 7. Pila sir?
16.
Minus 4.
12.
Okay, 12. Kung mag-una ang subtraction, unya, mag-uwahi ang division. Asa itong unahon, ana?
Division.
Okay, division. Ha? Okay. Division. So, may mo na siyang 10 divided by 2
Plus 5.
minus 7. Okay. Answer ani is 2.
Consider.
Dili siya mahugog negative kay ngano dako man ang 7 naguna sa 5. Sabot wala? Okay, very good. So na ako'y kuan diha, ako nang ipasolve ninyo. Okay, start na. They're solving simple PEMDAS.
And they will bring home their assignment. Bye!
Bye! So, mga tama ni Odto guys, so atong sit-an kay sardinas ug ham. Lami kay ham guys ay kuan guys sardinas. Tapos juice guys. Ramda sa guys. Kamu guys, magkaon na mo kung saktong oras. Dapat mo kung di mo magkaon.
Ito ba nga yun guys, kinawa ko.
Tapos yun. Pakita mo na result sa bonus. Raw ha. Ang sardinas, dili siya kapangit kay tabaw. Oh? Dinis. Ito ang resulta sa sardinas. Ang sarap ng ulam guys. Para siyang nas Amerikas niya. This means kain sardinas guys. Sabaw. Taghan kayo lamian ani guys. Hello guys. Mana tadi tagkaon. So, kaman na tagkaon dahil guys. Kaya may inang tag vitamins para matambok ta. Tara guys. Uyog na to. Nato. Ibutang dali kay 5 ml. Riyas na guys. 5 ml.
Discret ng baso.
So, mana guys, mana ni guys. Sunod guys, ato na immune. So, mana man guys, natrapay balik sa
Kasi
sa